Hi everyone, this is Maria and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on these Toy Story mystery bags. These are Disney Pixar Toy Story mystery bags that I purchased at the Mattel Toy Store in San Bernardino, California. So just like Toys R Us, our Mattel Toy Store is going out of business. I know, it is so sad. I just can't even believe it. They opened in 2004. And my friend and I, we were there at the door when they opened because we were so excited. And over the years, especially when my grandchildren were little, I was there all the time buying stuff for them and mailing it to them. It was so much fun. And so you guys, I've been going every Saturday since they announced that they're closing. And so I've been there 3 times. I purchased these on my second visit. So this last visit, I had planned to buy more, but they didn't have any more. They already ran out. So everything in the store right now is 50% off at Mattel Toy Store in San Bernardino. It closes on June 9th. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the package. And so it says Disney Pixar Toy Story Special Edition, new for 2018, minis, ages 3 and older by Mattel Toys. And then here's all the characters. I recognize most of them, but not all of them. And so I even recognize like almost all of them, I think, you guys. But the only thing is I don't know all of their names. And so I've seen the first Toy Story movie, and I want to see number 2 and number 3. And then I do also have a DVD on the Toy Story Halloween special. And so, but anyways, here's some more pictures. And so, yeah, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's go ahead and open these up. And then I have some more Toy Story mystery bags that are not the same ones afterwards, so I can hardly wait to share those too. So I've got my scissors, and I'm just going to snip off the top. Let's see what this one has. Oh my gosh, look how cute, Buzz Lightyear. Now I do know Buzz Lightyear very well. In fact, that's one of my favorite rides. My husband and I, we love to get on the Buzz Lightyear ride in Tomorrowland at Disneyland. Oh, it's so cute. I just think that's so adorable. Okay, so let me move that right over there. And so now I'm excited. And I only bought 6 of them because they were $1.79. And I'm really watching my money right now. I'm trying to at least, because we're going to be going on vacation this summer. And so let's see. Oh, another. So Buzz Lightyear has a twin. Okay, so watch me get a third one. Well, if I get a third Buzz Lightyear, then we'll have triplets, right? Now this one feels, it doesn't feel as bulky, so this one's probably different. And so let's go ahead and open this. Oh my gosh, you guys, at Disney California Adventure, they have like all of the Pixar stuff in one store. And so I have a video of that coming up soon. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is Jessie. She is so adorable. Look at her little hat. So, so cute. So let's just hope that we have Woody in here too. And so, otherwise I may have to go on eBay and buy some more. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, this is the little piggy bank. I don't know his name, but look how cute. This is adorable. One of my favorite magic windows at Disneyland on Main Street is the Toy Story one. I love it. Okay, so let's open this one. Let's see. Oh my gosh, we did get another Buzz Lightyear. Oh, that is so funny, but that's okay because when you have duplicates and triplicates, you can trade, right? Okay, so this is the last one. Oh my gosh, watch it be another Buzz Lightyear. I was really hoping to get a Woody. Okay, so here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh, another piggy bank. That's so cute. I just love these. Okay, so the next Toy Story mystery bags I purchased at Disney California Adventure. I have been wanting these for so long, but they're kind of expensive. I mean, more expensive than I want to pay because you know me, you guys, I love things that are $1 or maybe $2. I love really good deals, but I know these are never going to go on sale at Disneyland. And so Disney California Adventure. And so, but I really wanted these Toy Story ones. They have all different kinds though, you guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at this package. Look how cute. Toy Story Collector Packs, Disney Park Series 16. 3 collectible mini characters and not for children under 3. And then it has a list of them on the back here. So there's a Buzz Lightyear, Woody, Jessie, Bullseye, Alien, Zurg, Mr. Potato Head. I hope I get a Mr. Potato Head. Rex, Green Army Man, Slinky Dog, Ham, RC, Dolly, and Mr. Prickle Pants, Lotsa, Buttercup, Trixie, and Peas in a Pod. Okay, so now I know all of their names. I really like that. So let's go ahead and open the first one, but the packaging is so cute, isn't it? So let's go ahead and snip this open. Yeah, they have all kinds of these mystery bags at Disney, both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. Oh, and they come in little packages, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh, there's the little piggy again. And then here we have the Slinky Dog. So this must be Ham, right? And then Slinky Dog, and there's an Army Man. So let's go ahead and take them out of the package. Oh, wow, they're sealed also. So let's go ahead and open this one. And there's Slinky Dog. He's so cute. I love him. And then here's the Army Man. I love the Army Man show at Disney California Adventure. I just love it. In fact, I have a video of it. I may go ahead and link it here if I remember. Oh my gosh, look how cute. I love these Army Men. They are so much fun. I think I said that. And then here is Ham. And so if I repeat myself, you guys, just think of it as a Maria rerun. And so here is Ham. So let's go ahead and compare Ham from the Disney parks to this one right here by Mattel. Look at that. They're both really adorable. And so let's go ahead and set those there. These are so much fun. I think I'm gonna buy more of these when I go to the park. I just think they're fun. Okay, so, oh my gosh, let's see what we have here. These are different. And let's go ahead. This one looks like a rhino. I don't know his name. I'll have to look on the package. Look how cute. Look how cute. Just really cute. Looks like a dinosaur, or is it a rhino? I think it's a rhino. And so I thought maybe it was a dinosaur because of his horns and the fan. Maybe it is, you guys. I am so out of it. Oh my gosh. I know my friend likes this character. And so that's Joanna. I think her sister actually liked the character. And so, because I remember we were at the park 2 years ago. It's already been 2 years, hard to believe. And she bought one of these in plush. Look how cute. Oh my gosh, super cute. Okay, so here's the last one. Oh, I am so happy to get this one. I don't know its name, but it's a unicorn. I know you guys are probably screaming out the names to me right now, right? And so, but don't worry, I'll learn all of their names. So cute. And look at that little smile. Okay, so I keep dropping. Oh, it stood. It kept tipping over, you guys, this little unicorn. I was gonna put it over here, but I guess it didn't want to move. And so let's go ahead and open this last one. By the way, you guys, if you go to the Disney parks, do you buy these mystery bags there? And so they were 3 for $18. And I can't remember what they were individually, but I know it was more if you bought them separate. And so let's go ahead and open these. Oh, wow. Okay, I see a duplicate, but oh my gosh. Yeah, let's go ahead and do the duplicate first. And so here is this one again. So cute. And so I'm gonna set that one down. And then we have Jessie. Oh, how cute. I love these little minis. Just so cute. So here is Jessie. So let's compare both of these Jessies. I really like this one right here. Look at her big eyes. I also like that the hat is removable, but I also love this one because it's so teeny tiny, and I love tiny things, but I really love both of them. So on a scale of 1 to 10 in cuteness, I'd have to give both of these a 10. So let's go ahead and open this last one. And we have Buzz Lightyear. And again, let's compare both of them. I think they're really cute, you guys. I just love them all. So I'm going to keep my Toy Story minis in this plastic mason jar. And when it gets full, I'll have to buy a bigger jar. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.